What's up? Sean here, going to explain to you why you got this question wrong, how to answer it correctly. So we have this graphic question here, and we always want to read the question carefully to see where to look. So here we see which choice best describes data from the table that support the claim in the passage. Now, whenever you see this, you want to make sure that you understand or see the claim first before you look at the table for the evidence. So, first sentence we see, a 2017 World Bank report suggests that a higher percentage of renewable energy usage is linked to lower CO2 emissions per capita. So now we see what this claim is. It's basically this inverse relationship between renewable energy consumption and CO2 emissions per capita. And now when we look at the graph, we see that the two countries with the highest percentage of renewable energy consumption are France and Italy. And they also happen to have the lowest CO2 emissions per capita in metric tons, which is consistent with this claim being made. So I'm pretty much anticipating that the answer will involve these two countries because they reflect the highest renewable energy consumption percentage and the lowest CO2 emissions per capita. So when I look at answer choice A, I can eliminate this because it's just comparing France over Italy. But we're not trying to compare France to Italy. We're trying to compare France and Italy to the other countries. Answer choice Bravo, the United Kingdom has the lowest percentage of renewable energy consumption and a higher CO2 emissions per capita than Italy. Now, this is only comparing two countries, and in a way, it kind of shows that the inverse would also be true. But answer choice Charlie now resembles the answer that we have been anticipating, which is that France and Italy represent the two countries with the highest renewable energy consumption rate, 16.3% and 18.3% respectively, and the lowest CO2 emissions per capita, which is pretty much the relationship in this claim. Now, delta is also true, but it's just one country, so just talking about how Italy has the highest percentage and has a CO2 emissions per capita doesn't really give us how relative these numbers are, except for the percentage of renewable energy. We see that the CO2 emissions per capita of 5.3 metric tons, it is low comparatively, but in the answer choice doesn't really show that this is one of the lowest. And it's only talking about one particular country. So answer choice Charlie better reflects the information from the graph because it includes at least two countries that indicate this kind of relationship between energy consumption and CO2 emissions per capita. So Charlie's going to be our best answer. Got it? Good.